Going?
Mm-hmm.
Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ. Today I'm going to show you, we just actually fixed that one, but we're going to attempt to fix this one. So this back window here, 2007 15 Avalanche suburban Tahoe, doesn't roll back up. You're going to need a flat mini screwdriver. You're going to want to pop here, and you're going to want to pop E. You got to be careful.
Roll up.
Yeah, roll it up from the front. We can roll this back window up from the front master switch still. So we're going to show you quick fix, which we hope to take because we just did on that one. All right, so what we're going to do, take this, unplug it, and we're going to go inside and show you some neat, super quick thing that may fix it. All right, so on this one, you got these little pops and you got this little pop. So what you're going to do, take your screwdriver and go like that and pull up while you do it. And you actually got hot these at the end. So there's like 6 little things you gotta flip, see? What the heck was that? I probably should use multiple little screwdrivers to keep this up, but here we go. Okay, like that. And then you gotta try to make sure you don't mess up.
And stick it back down.
And pop it back in, like I just did. Okay, so this is the problem. So I need multiple little screwdrivers so I don't feel like bringing.
Careful, don't break.
Yeah, be careful. A little less rough than I'm being. Okay, pull that. Hold that up like that while you do it. And on this side should come up on its own. Nope. There's one. Hold on. Stop. Okay, pull that out. Okay,
Dirty.
so we got that out. See the little clips right there? And there's a little clip right there. So we're going to do the same thing. Be real gentle so you don't break these. Okay, and here's going to be your problem. So what happens is you take this, and there's little knobs, and there's these little things. See them?
They could be dirty.
And then they get dirty. See the signal's dirty on there? Pull my neck muscle showing you. Okay, so what we're going to do is disassemble the whole thing, and I'm going to bring some air in here. Will you grab the air nozzle? Will you pause it real quick? Okay, so get some canned air if you got it, or an air compressor with a long hose you can bring into your garage. Okay, just clean what you can in there. Take this other one out, lift it out. Clean it real good. Set it down. Clean it everywhere you can. And then we're not done with this. But we're gonna close it off. Get some Q-tips with rubbing alcohol.
This one has it.
Okay. And first most important part is this connection here. See this? See those like dirt speckles on it when I push in? So there's dirt. I'm gonna get that off there, as much of it as you can. What happens is the signal can't work when there's a dirt. Okay? Okay? Get that all there, okay? Then the next spot is, you can't even always tell, but these 2 little circle things right there, that's where those connect, and they're dirty. You can't tell it, but it's dirty. So you go like this, and you scrub it, and now you can see, I don't know if you can tell in the picture, but you saw the lines on it?
No.
They were distorting. See, like right there and over there, there's black smudges. Well, you wouldn't think they're there, but if they're thin enough and they can stop that from fully connecting to this, the signal doesn't get through from the circuit board. Like goes right there, and it just doesn't cut through because the signal's not going through. See? Okay? So that will make your window not work, because that's all they are. It's like inside a remote control for a video game, whatever, or your phone, or your TV remote, or whatever you got. Okay, so I'm gonna look at everything. I'm gonna wipe down these connectors a little with that alcohol too, just in case somehow the connectors are too dirty. And I'm gonna fill that with rubber alcohol. As you can see, this was clean, and it is now a little dirty.
There's enough. Just
You're thinking it wouldn't, but we just did the front door, and the front door one, the window was not rolling up or down, and you actually didn't even make the Q-tip very dirty, but we did it, and the door worked. That was it. Okay, so we got that, and then these little guys, just get some of that out of there. Try not to leave any Q-tip in there. Just clean them, just because they are connecting with that. So, all right. So now we got to do the reverse of what we just had. So these here go in like that. See the little. Sorry, did I get it backwards?
yeah.
The way it goes?
That way.
Nope, I had it the right way. I had it the right way. There's two notches, and those two notches kind of meet up with that thing. See? See?
No, it is backwards.
No, that's it. See?
Yeah, and it pops.
See? They're right on it. Okay? And you got to make sure these two notches all line up as well. See? Same design.
Okay.
And then see the little grooves there meet those two spots, see? And then there's two lines that meet the side of that. And where that's going to match up is inside here. See these two notches and these two notches? They're going to hold that in place. Okay? Oh, I'm stupid. You got to blow the extra alcohol first, guys. Just in case. We use rubbing alcohol to it dries itself, but it helps. Make sure you get that cleaned off good. Now, we're hoping it's going to work for this one. It may not, but it did work for the front. Okay, line those little dots up. Get everything smooth. Back together. That's it. And then I'll do it that way, even though just some more it doesn't get right back in right away. Now the front one you're going to take off, if you're going to copy this after seeing this, the master switch is going to need Torx head screws. So I'm not showing you right now, but if you watch this one and decide to do it, I'm going to make the front door and redo it all over for you. You're going to need a Torx 10. This is the one, not a Torx 10. This is a TT, but it works because it's still a Torx. And a Torx 15, which is right here. 10 and 15. There's like 8 screws you have to unscrew inside that one because it's a long one. It doesn't just have the window; it has the locks and everything. Okay, so we're putting it back in. Pause that. All right, everybody. So we're hoping this works. It saved me a $125 part plus a $200 programming fee. Doing it on the front. It seems stupid just cleaning it makes it work, but it did. You want to go up there and start it? Kind of grab the camera. It's a little dirty in there too. Okay. Ready? Down she goes. Up she goes. Now I can have milk every day. So if y'all watch my air conditioning videos and other things, boom, that was it. You can go out there and spend a whole bunch of money. Yeah, we're gonna get Colin, get his reaction. Kind of close it, go get him. Okay, Colin's getting in. Close that door. Close that door. Okay, roll your window down.
Okay, roll down. Blinding.
Sorry, go ahead. Roll your window back up.
Wow.
Let me see your reaction. Come on, reaction.
I can actually do this myself
without
asking you for
You're not a little baby anymore. You can roll your own window up.
I can't see.
So, all right, y'all. So, here we go.
Yeah.
That was it, y'all. Amazing, quick, easy fix. Save you $100 taking it to the place. Hundreds, because they're going to have to diagnose it and they're going to switch it out and do electrical first. That's the whole problem, okay? Fixed, clean, done. Hope this helped you. It helped me. I'm super excited. Look, we lost this one today, okay? Wouldn't roll down at all. I did everything. I went to every fuse, every breaker, every wire, through the door, flipped everything, tearing it apart, disconnected the PCM and let it reset the truck. Everything we could do. All I do, pop this off. Here, do you got the screwdriver right here?
No, it's just like what you
Nope,
did.
I got it. It's loose now because I already did it with the other one the first time. Okay. And I was showing you guys torque screws. One here, one here, one here. Those are the bigger 10, the 15s, or the 10, whatever it is. And then the smaller is this one. They're right there and there. And then you just connect all these, take it inside. Take this inside. Put it in a bucket like I had. Put all the screws in it. Take it apart layer by layer. Spray the air in. This is what they need. So spray the air. Clean it with alcohol. Everything that can be. Be careful. Clean it with air. Clean it with air. There's 3 layers. So you take this off. There's another layer with 7 screws in it. 5 or 7 screws. Boom, boom, boom. I'm going to show you how to do it the full way, like in a day or two, when I get time. But that's the repair. So that fixes that, and that will fix your driver. Just done. All of them worked. I can control everybody but that one. Next, I got to figure out this bad boy. This just stopped working too. Like in the past. I don't use this in summer, but I'm pretty sure it was working sometime soon, recently. So there we go, y'all. Those quick, easy fixes. Flat screwdriver, boom, boom, boom. I took this whole door off. I had this door off, popped these things out, did all this, pulled everything apart. Boom, it ended up being pulling this thing apart and cleaning. Rubbing alcohol. Clean air. Boom. That's it. So I hope this helps you. I guess I'll put a link to canned air and a set with little Torx heads. I don't know what else you can buy. I'll put these controls, I guess, in case you want to spend them. This is $125 cheapest way you can find it. It's at OEM on Amazon, right? 125?
Something like that.
Something in that range, maybe more. And then you have to pay $200 to have a program with the dealer. But instead of that, pulled it apart, cleaned it, fixed it. We're done. If you love this video and it saved your life, please like, subscribe, and then go watch a bunch of my other videos and like, subscribe. I'm about to hit 10,000 subscribers, but I really need help getting higher. Because this truck, I love it. I love that truck, but it's getting old, and I need a new truck, but I can't afford it. So help me, help you, help me. And you get to see more repairs. I'm not going to buy a brand new truck. I'm going to buy another used truck, and it will need stuff fixed. So more videos for y'all, for me, y'all. That's it, yeah? They say like and subscribe, yeah? As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day. Here. So it's on their face. Seize the day, each and every day. Bye-bye.